In this video, I'll show you how to sort in alphabetical order on Canva Sheet. So to get started, go ahead and open canva.com into your browser. And then once you're in this section, go ahead and sign into your account or sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. So I prefer to sign in to my account using my Google account. So once you're signed in into your Canva account, you'll get redirected into the dashboard. So on the dashboard, go ahead and open the file that you want to sort in alphabetical order. So you can find that under the recent design section. So since I have not created a file yet, I'll simply generate it using the magic write feature on Canva. So I'll simply select a command from here and then click on generate. But if you have a file already, you can find that under the recent design section. So I will simply insert this into my Canva sheet, and to be able to sort this in alphabetical order, you just need to select the row that you want to sort, right click on it and click on sort. And as you can see in here, you can find the option to sort this into A to Z or Z to A. So as you can see, the other columns are actually affected with this since these are connected to this specific column. And that is how you can basically sort in alphabetical order on Canva Sheet. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.